all these thoughts, actually it's constant. All these thoughts, can I say that it's constant? It will never go away. We will always have this feeling, what if, and what if. So at that end up, didn't do anything. So this is what happened. $1,000 per square feet today, 2008. 2008, drop a bit, 2005, go back 2006, then go back 2008 again. Totally miss out. 3 times. So end of the day, right, the result is disappointing. So anyhow buy lah, without thinking, because I think that it's not for me, I'll just go for whatever I think I can. Then no breakthrough. So very, very important. So what you will learn, very, very important. This is what we'll teach you. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner, doesn't matter if you're a beginner or seasoned. Because all the different segments will build you up. From the first day, first session itself will build up until the second day, last segment. Bringing you through the 3 stages. Every one of you. From over 25 years of experience into 4 sessions of solid step-by-step coaching. Really step-by-step. Later you will see the workbook. Learn how to crisis-proof your family today. So you can click the link inside the chat box itself and find out more. Next thing. This is what in detail we're going to teach you. Your own property blueprint. Identify and select profitable properties with little cash using OPM. OPM is what? Other people's money. Very, very important key concept. Remember we talked about right financing? Right financing. Get a step-by-step plan to achieve your investment and early retirement. Actual passive income, actual passive income, actual passive income. Start earning your first $1 of passive income today. Very, very important. Active income, all of us are so good at it. But only when you start to build a passive income. And that's what will crisis-proof us. Positive cash flow and capital gains. Very, very important. Passive income. Ways to secure and lower your monthly mortgage. We all know interest rate is high. But you still can be lower than other people. Remember we spoke about this? It's not about what you buy, it's about how you buy. 2 persons buy the same property, one pay lesser interest, and then know how to do the right financing. Actually, end of the day, right, later on when you do the cash proceed financing calculation in the PWS, you realize, how come they buy the same property, same stack, same floor, same development? One person can earn more than the other. And that's very critical. It's about how you buy, not about what you buy. Advanced strategy, this you have to build up step by step. When and how to restructure your property portfolio for maximum gain. But we all start from the first one, definitely. I have to tell you upfront. We all start on step number 1. Step number 1. Then from there we catapult. You will see people, how do they exponentially grow. It's only after the first property. Definitely the first property, if you do it right, you will build your capital, and then the next step will be exponential. Very, very important. But then this is also key. That's why I mentioned earlier on, for upgraders or people currently property owners, right, you already have a pot of gold. After your first step, your second step is even more important than first step. Why? Don't lose your money. That's key thing. So 25 years of experience, step by step, you'll consistently learn how to grow your cash flow and get higher returns. Then the bank or CPF in the long run, you're going to beat the odds. So they can take control. How much money can you make with just one right property move? Maybe can I ask every one of you, if you do it right in your own personal perspective, that means your own understanding and your own situation, if you make your first move right, how much do you think you can earn yourself? Every one of us is different, it doesn't matter. Just to do a public poll right here, you can reply me in the chat box itself. Just want to get a public gauge of you. If one right property move, one right move, how much do you think you can earn? 200, 300, $500,000 some of you, 200, 250, 300. So very, very, very important that we see here. Every one of us may be of different starting point, but here actually I've given you the first tip. What is our target? So when we know our target, we will know what to do in order to hit the target. Definitely, when we come into the masterclass, when we see your planning itself, we will be able to tell you, is it possible or is it not possible? So key thing, if everybody tell us that they want to buy one property and earn 500,000, I don't think so. I don't think so. But then if you ask me whether when you buy in this property, will you be safe? Your money is safe. Your money will be there in 5 years' time. What is your ROE, your ROI? And then how to build your capital? That one we can assure you. Because there's something called a real estate savings plan. Savings plan. Savings plan. To earn in sometimes is a bonus. But most importantly, my capital must be protected. Then with projected, secure, step-by-step structured growth. So revealing the exact methods that we can use in today's market to create your own multi-million-dollar property portfolio in a safe environment. Yes, we will get there. Type. Type. Multiple ways to unlock your cash through your property. If I can share a method with you that you don't have to sell, you don't have to sell a property and you can cash out and buy another property, how many of you will be keen to learn? That means you don't need to sell a property, you are able to unlock the money from your property and buy another property. How many of you will be keen to learn? Type yes. Strategies on how to spot below market price property itself and be the first to profit. Exit point. How do you determine your exit? Be the first to profit. Very, very important. Steps to determine the exit strategy to unlock maximum profit. So what we learn? Our total investment to learn all of this, Kelvin spent over 20 years. Ismail spent over 25 years.